guilty. From a 9-0 guilty, naging 9-0 not guilty. Imagine that. Unanimous not guilty. Because of yung mga arguments. Because of yung question ko nung tinanong. What are we trying to graduate here? Shabby officers? Stupid officers? Stupid cadets? Follow stupid orders to the best of your stupidity? Or are we graduating here as much as possible resourceful officers? Officers who would be able to critically think when the lives of their men depended on it. Eh, syempre, sagot ng mga kasama ko, we're trying to graduate the best officers that our men in the field will have when they need one. Officers who can decide, officers who can think properly. Against the odds, walang resources, walang available